Welcome to Easy English. Don't say commence, say start. Example, let's start the class. Don't say purchase, say buy. Example, I want to buy a new phone. Don't say residence, say home. Example, I'm going home. Don't say assist, say help. Example, can you help me? Don't say consume, say eat. Example, let's eat dinner. Don't say depart, say leave. Example, the train will leave soon. Don't say observe, say see. Example, I can see the mountains. Don't say inform, say tell. Example, please tell me the truth. Don't say require, say need. Example, I need some water. Don't say obtain, say get. Example, where can I get a taxi? Don't say inquire, say ask. Example, I want to ask a question. Don't say respond, say reply. Example, please reply to my message. Don't say demonstrate, say show. Example, can you show me the way? Don't say comprehend, say understand. Example, I understand English now. Don't say utilize, say use. Example, I use my phone every day. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more easy English videos.